behalf of this flight crew at Southwest Airlines, welcome to Ontario. Please remain seated with seatbelt fastened, carrying on stowed right where you may are. May use your cell phones now as long as you reach them without having to unbuckle your seatbelts to get towed. When the captain goes up the gate and turns off that fasten seatbelt sign, please be careful when you open those overhead bins. Items may shift during flight and could fall out. If you are connecting to another Southwest flight, go out to the terminal, check any miles for your gate and flight number. This is termination of this flight number, so please check those seatback pockets around your feet, between the seats, for any of your personal belongings you may have set there. Well, we certainly have enjoyed spending a short part of our day with you. We realize you have many choices when you fly, so thank you for choosing Southwest. Y'all go out and buckle up and have a real safe week. Welcome to Ontario.